I welcome you to my brand new truck, the 2018 Ford F-150.
Missing someone with all your missing someone.
This specific truck is an XLT with a 302A package. It has the ruby red metallic exterior color, topped with a black sport cloth interior. This truck also has the XLT Sport Appearance package and the FX4 package.
And you deserve, and you deserve, and you deserve, and you did it right from the start.
Under the hood is the 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine, which produces 325 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. The optional XLT Sport Appearance package makes this interior a very nice place to be, with great usable features.
Is as normal, missing someone. Missing someone, I am sad and so low. I am sad and so low. Someone with all your missing someone with
And if you're wondering, yes, mods for this truck are coming.